Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb back with another video. Okay, I hope everyone is doing well. Got a lot of snow here, but it's been melting all day today. And tomorrow's going to be a 2-hour delay for the kids. I've had my grands over and we've just been having so much fun. So I'm going to do a short video today. It's going to be a product review and we're going to put it over in the Ninja Foodie. Let's get started. Okay guys, I picked this up at Costco. It's the Donnelly Farms Veggie Burgers. So we're going plant-based today. It's got some good stats. 4 grams vegetarian protein. It's only 160 calories and 0 trans fat. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the way they look. Yummy. They look like burgers to me, but it's all plant-based. And these are not frozen. They're not frozen. So, but you can freeze them. I noticed that it says highly perishable, so they don't last long. So it's best probably to put them in the freezer if you're not going to eat them all. And you get 12 patties. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I got out 2 burgers. I think these are some big burgers here. Look. Nice size. And it says to put them in the conventional oven for 8 to 10 minutes on 350. So I'm going to put them in the Ninja Foodie Air Crisp for about 8 minutes so they can get nice and crispy. I'll check it before 8 minutes is up. So let's get these bad boys in the Ninja Foodie. Okay, I've got both of them in the Ninja Foodie in the Air Crisp basket. I'm going to close the lid. Turn it on. We're going to do Air Crisp. Set the temperature for 350. And we're going to do 8 minutes. You know, air frying cooks faster. So I won't do the full 10 minutes. I'll do 8 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we're looking like. I did the full 8 minutes. You don't even have to turn them over. Yes, feel fine. Okay, I'm going to put a slice of cheese on one of them. And I'm just going to close the lid, and then just the warmth from just being in the Ninja Foodie should melt the cheese. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can see the carrots and everything. I think it looks good. My cheese is nicely melted. And guess what, guys? I don't even have any hamburger buns. So I'm going to have to put it on some bread, some loaf bread. Okay. So I'll do a little ketchup. A little mustard. Uh-oh. Squirting out all over the place now. There we go. And we'll top it off with the next slice of bread. Looking good. Okay, so now I guess since I have it in sandwich bread, I'm going to cut it. Okay guys, this is what we have. Looks like a burger to me. I'm going to take a bite. Guys, I am not kidding you. This is really tasty. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and say it tastes just like meat, But this could be a good burger substitute for me. It is very good. So guys, I say I'm going to have to go and leave you now and go have my veggie burger. It's a thumbs up. This is a go. A big winner. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.